Click on the link below to get price. The EC-160301 Cartridge Pool Filter is a notable replacement option designed to fit the Pentair EC-160301 model. This product is tailored for those who prioritize efficient water filtration in their swimming pools, contributing to a more enjoyable swimming experience. To begin with, the EC-160301 filter is crafted to accommodate pools of a significant size, being rated for a filtration area of 420 square feet. This capacity is generally suitable for larger residential pools, helping to ensure that the water remains clear and clean throughout the swimming season. The design of this cartridge filter emphasizes ease of use, featuring a straightforward setup process that allows for quick installation and replacement. One of the key features of the EC-160301 is its high dirt holding capacity. This aspect enables the filter to maintain optimal performance over extended periods, reducing the frequency of maintenance and cleaning. The cartridge itself is made with durable materials, which helps in resisting wear and tear, thereby extending its lifespan. This durability can be particularly beneficial for those who wish to minimize the time and effort spent on pool maintenance. The filtration system is engineered to capture a wide range of debris, including leaves, grime, and microscopic particles. This capability is essential for maintaining water clarity and hygiene, especially during peak swimming months when pool usage tends to increase. Users may appreciate that the filter operates quietly, without producing the noise often associated with other filtration systems. In terms of usage, the EC-160301 allows for straightforward cleaning. When maintenance is required, the cartridge can be easily removed, rinsed, and reinstalled, making it accessible even for individuals who may not have extensive experience with pool upkeep. Regular upkeep of the filter will enhance its efficiency, ensuring it continues to provide clean water for your pool. In conclusion, the EC-160301 Cartridge Pool Filter stands out as a practical choice for pool owners seeking a reliable replacement for their Pentair EC-160301 model. Its combination of a large filtration area, durable construction, and efficient debris capture makes it a useful addition to pool maintenance routines. By opting for this filter, users may find that their pools remain cleaner and more inviting, allowing for a more enjoyable swimming experience.